Are you looking to file for divorce in Alameda County? Is the thought of a lengthy or expensive divorce keeping you up at night? Meet Denise Foster, an independent paralegal and legal document assistant with Divorce with Dignity Alameda. Denise can guide you through an amicable divorce process that is not only peaceful but also cost-effective. In every case, she can save you thousands of dollars compared to litigating with divorce lawyers. Her unique mediation process will help you resolve conflicts and reach peaceful agreements. She'll handle all your divorce papers, guide you through the child support calculations, and finalize your uncontested divorce with the family court. The process of divorce can be a confusing maze of legal requirements and procedures. Her mission is to simplify this process, helping you every step of the way. She will prepare your divorce papers correctly and even file them with the court for you. Listen to what Kamisha had to say. Because of their services, I am able to move forward with my life. Something which appeared to be so difficult was made so simple, and their fees were very reasonable. Denise assisted me through the process. She was very professional, had a beautiful personality, and was extremely helpful. Since 1995, Divorce with Dignity has been committed to providing excellent service to our clients. We help you maintain your peace of mind, save time and frustration, protect your family from the hardship of divorce, and provide the professional expertise you need, all while saving you thousands of dollars. Denise specializes in divorce planning and facilitation, divorce mediation, and legal document preparation. She also provides services for adoptions, conservatorships, family law documents, living trusts, wills, name changes, paternity filings, probate, and restraining orders. If you're ready to navigate your divorce with dignity, click the link in the description to schedule your free discovery session today. You can count on Denise to make this difficult transition as smooth and painless as possible. Together. Denise Foster, at your service.